probably tired of seeing my face. I told ya I got a bunch of boxes, man. We got a $1,200 Soul Supremacy box. If you guys watched that last statement box, that box was fire. It was worth the wait. I was a little salty about the long shipping time, but the quality of that box was fire. This one, $1,200, so it's a little cheaper. 12 shipped, so it was $1,150 plus the $50 shipping. So it's a little cheaper than that $1,500 box. But Soul Supremacy, man, it's hard to miss with them. Like they send nothing but quality boxes. But before we get into this box, check out this book. You guys familiar with my channel? Y'all know my wife is an author, all about entrepreneurship. This is more for the little girls, and I think my ring light is kind of like blasting this out. But it's Faith the Unicorn Furniture Flipper. She wrote her second children's book. She put it out a while ago. It's on Amazon. It's available now, along with JT's Big Plan. If you've been following me, you're probably already familiar with that. The link for this book is down below. It just teaches about entrepreneurship. My wife is all about that and trying to instill that in children. Let them know that they can be bosses and not just workers. Something we try to teach our kid. And you know, if you got a little girl, give this book a shot. Fun little kids book for them. But let's get into what y'all here for. $1,200 box. I feel like I'm just shooting videos back to back to back. It's not a bad thing. I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. Right off top, we got a bunch of boxes I am unfamiliar with. A bunch of shoes. Nike SBs. They look to be dead stock. Check these out. Kind of give me that Royal One vibe. These are a size 9.5. They have Zoom Air in the insole, so it might be pretty comfortable. But Nike SB. Nickname for all that stuff will be down below. You guys know I ain't with it when it comes to the SB names. I see a loose pair in here that I think is the money pair of this box, unless it's super damaged. So this is gonna be a first. We're gonna actually save that loose pair for the end of the video. I ain't never had this shoe. I'm excited to see the condition of it. Yeah, we're gonna move along, man. We got some Reeboks. Size 9, Insta Pump Furies. I know what these are. Who in the world came up? Size 9, man. Look at this. I ain't gonna knock them. They might be super comfortable with that pump technology. Not only is it bright, but it's like a shoe and a sandal. Had a baby, and this is what they came up with. Look, you got carbon fiber on the bottom, lightly worn, pre-owned, size 9. Pretty sure not too much value there. I mean, I'm pretty confident it's not that much value there. We got some equipment support, 9316 Adidas size 9. Had these before, and I think I just got rid of them in a mystery box I built for somebody. I'm not sure. No, I didn't. I sold these on Go. So this is a collab, I believe, with Concepts or something like that. They are pre-owned. The ones I had was dead stock, so I have to check out the pricing on these. But look at that, got that boost technology. I bet they super comfortable. Adidas equipment, nothing too special here. Size 9, probably a dope running workout shoe for someone. Trying to keep this box separate from the other boxes, because I still got to log those in to my little spreadsheet. We got another Adidas ZX 930 EQT size 9. Not dead stock, but in super good condition. What size are the other ones? 9. I'm guessing this whole collection might have came from somebody. These have all been 9s. Besides the SBs, I think those 9.5. Check these out. These actually look better than the other Adidas in my opinion. Again, with the boost, not bad. They look like they bigger than Nike. These shoes probably run big, because this looks like it's more like an 11. This is a 9 though. Lightly worn. this is what we pulling out of $1,200 boxes, and I think you guys might see why at the end of this video. ASICs. Come on now, y'all know y'all don't see boxes like this come out of a $1,200 video, so that loose shoe gotta be fire, right? So we got some gel Kano 5 OG size 9 again. Pre-owned gel light 5s. Check out the color. The colorway ain't that bad. I actually like the navy blue, maroon, and cream colorway. But it's another shoe I'm unfamiliar with. It's definitely be something a lot of these shoes I'm gonna have to do research on. I have no idea what these are. I bet you again these are super comfortable. I see a lot of people wearing ASICs when they run and jog, and you know, it's quality. Function over fashion when it comes to stuff like that. We got the last, no, it's not the last Nike. Second to last Nike. This is a Skyline FOG Fear of God. I had these before. These are 10.5 though. 10.5 pre-owned Fear of God Skyline. I mean, you see these from a mile away, you wouldn't think that this was a Fear of God shoe. The hype that comes with that type of stuff. But nonetheless, man, 10.5. I know we just pulling out straight up shelf sitters right now, but wait. We got some 350s, a size 10. 350. Oh, these ain't no 350s, god dang it. That would have been dope though. But we got these again. These are size 10.5, so this isn't even the original box. Oh, of course. We got 10.5 in the Adidas Calabasas Yeezy. I have these dead stock right now in the size 8.5. If you guys didn't know, these are pretty warm. Still have some life in them, but definitely not dead stock. 10.5 on those. Boom. These don't go for much. I think these only hitting for like $100 new, so they're not going for very much. 350 box. Dang, so that's how y'all do. All right, we got a 350 box again. Please don't be another pair of Calabasas. 10.5. All right. You guys just recently seen me pull these. These are the Zebras. I've been getting a bunch of these. I think I currently have like 4 pair of these in stock. I have a 10, 10.5, 11.5, and so I got 3. So these are the Zebras, pre-owned, 10.5. Won't have these long at all. I just got the other ones because I haven't posted them. Pretty good shape. Bottom's a little dirty, but the uppers are super clean. Check that out. I'll take it. 350s, Yeezy still move. I mean, the Calabasas don't move that fast, but those don't count to me. All right, I'll put that together later. Last up. This is why I said this must be the money shoe. This is a loose pair. That's the money shoe. Y'all ready? $1,200 box. We have some Tiffany Dunks. What? These aren't pre-owned. I mean, these aren't dead stock, of course. These are size 9.5, and these are worn pretty good. I am not even gonna lie, they are pretty worn. But these things hold value like crazy. I've never owned a pair of these until now. The hype around these are crazy. I've seen these being a lot of people's grill shoe. Very dope. I love the colorway. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a dream shoe or a grill shoe to me. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But I know these are super valuable to a lot of people. So I would definitely have to do my research and see what they're going for. You guys already know what they're going for from the bottom of the screen. very happy with it. I know these bring back more than half the price of the box by themselves, and the rest of this stuff, we'll see. I know I probably had a Yeezy sold, the zebras, that's no problem, and the rest of this stuff, man, I don't know. Y'all see anything, y'all already know what to do. Hit me up on Instagram at TGOTSOLE for sales. Just DM me. Some of the stuff might not be posted yet just due to the amount of shoes that I've been getting in. Just, man, posting them on there takes a while. But just hit me up on there. You can DM me. Let me know if you see anything you like and if I still have it. And we definitely can make a deal that way. I have the prices for everything. The prices down below will include the shipping to you. If it come with the box, you know I double box ship it. Appreciate each and every one of y'all watching all these videos back to back to back. And I should have another one coming right after this. It's a little 550 box, but 550 boxes make money too, so we with it. Y'all make sure to follow me, subscribe, whatever you got to do, man. I appreciate each and every one of y'all taking time to check me out. I'm out. Peace.